Hi, today we're going to learn how you can create rules and programs for affiliate marketing inside of AI Trillion. To do this, in the left-hand side navigation bar of AI Trillion, go to Affiliate Program and then go to Manage Rules. You have to create a rule first and then a program. To create your very first rule, click on Create Rule. If you need to modify an existing rule, you can click on Edit. So I'm going to click on Create Rule to show you how to make your rule. You need to give your rule a name. You need to enable it, or if you need to keep it disabled, that's your choice, of course, but enable it. See if the rule applies to all customer groups, different customer groups, a specific group. So I'm going to choose all for this example, and I'm going to write in the description, this is a test. I then need to click on Save. Once the affiliate rule has been set up, then you need to go to Manage Programs under Affiliate Program option. Once you're in Manage Affiliate Programs, click on Create Program. Again, you can click on Edit if you need to edit an existing one. I'm going to call it Test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then ensure that the status is enabled. You can keep it disabled if you need to. Choose the rule. The rule that you just created should be auto-selected, but of course, you can choose any rule that you have created. So let's say I want to choose this one. The pay commission has only one option at the moment, pay per sale, but we are working on giving you more options here. Commission type, whether you want to give a fixed commission or a percent commission. So I'll choose a percent. And then I want to give a 8% commission to my affiliates and then click on Save. That's how you create rules and then create affiliate programs inside of AI Trillion. We do have more videos on affiliate programs. Do have a look. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.